Hello there. Today I have some Sword and Shield Battle Styles card packs to open. I have 4 of them, and I'm going to be opening them up. So first off, I thought I'd pick the Tyranitar pack. It's my favorite. And okay, so I think the card trick is lay that to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Cacturn. Rapid Strike Energy. That's brand new. EXP share. Mawile that I just saw a few seconds ago. Cherubi. I don't know how to pronounce that one. Pachirisu. Chimecho. Hondedge. Chiribu. I need to learn how to pronounce that right. Cheribu. There we go. And Marowak. And so, see if I've done it right. Yes, Marowak is our rare. So it's 4 to the back. Next up, we got an Napoleon pack. Set that to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic Energy. Girder. Cacturn. Level Ball, that's neato. Timber. Cacnea. Another Mawile. Spoink. Galarian Mr. Mime. Another Level Ball. And a Bolt Hound is our rare. Can't get this one open. Try from the bottom. There we go. One, 2, 3, and 4. Fighting Energy. Bruxish. Buffalint. Level Ball. Spoink. Bronzor. Tepig. Ooh, I like that one. Pachirisu. Mienfoo. It has Rapid Strike on it. Octillery. Another Rapid Strike one. And Steelix. I think that is... Well, I can see how it kind of goes there like that, so I don't know if that would be reverse holo or just maybe a misprint. Or... Interesting. Well, it's definitely welcome in my collection. And here we go for our last pack. One, 2, 3, and 4. We have a Water Energy, Furo, Carnivine, Escape Rope, Cubone, Frillish, Flipbug, Roly-Coly, Chimecho, Girder, and a Necrozma. Wow, and even has the kind of the texture on it. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, there's nothing on the back. Wow, that's really cool. Awesome. Okay, and I'm not going to use these, so you guys can if you want. There's one code card, another code card, another one, and another one. Well, thank you for watching, and right before I leave, I'll show our 2 really neat picks of the day. That's all I got to say for today, and I'm thinking maybe later on in the week I'll open up some Japanese card packs that I have. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.